the difference because I wanted to make a film. I wanted to keep as close as possible with the original text. Here, Bomkesh is a little aged, but in recent times, any Bomkesh film that you saw, we saw Bomkesh in a younger avatar. But as per the original text, Bomkesh should be over 60. So that is the that is one point that I want to mention. And the character Bomkesh played by famous actor Dhrutiman Chattopadhyay. And there are other three characters which which are portrayed by one Konkona Sen Sharma, Indranil and Kaushik Sen. Now, this film was released in Calcutta last 20th March, and it was beyond my imagination that the film will get so much support from the public. It was a real hit, and gradually we thought of releasing it nationally. So now it has been released nationally in Calcutta, in New Delhi, in Mumbai, in Bangalore, and gradually it will travel to other cities where Bengali populations are there. That is another point that is very unique about this venture. And this film is not just a mere Bomkesh movie. It has something to say about present political situation against socio-economic condition of the city of Calcutta. So I think people will love it and look at the Bomkesh movie in a different way. That's what I
Sir,
have
as you were talking about a different thing, what is the main difference in
হ্যাঁ কঙ্কনা উপরে কোথায় বলতো থার্ড ফ্লোর লাউঞ্জ থার্ড ফ্লোর লাউঞ্জ হ্যাঁ বাই working experience was great because all these artists, Dhrutiman, Konkona, Indranil and Kaushik, are great artists, and I think it's my privilege to get the chance to work in a film. And it's a huge film, it's a long film, it's a 3-hour long film. And I can say that they have performed tremendously. I mean, when we will see the film, we will understand how great these actors are actually in Indian screen. And it is my privilege and the privilege of my producer, Pradeep Churiwal, Sharikot Mitro and others to have these artists in our team. And we spent almost 2 years to make this film from start to finish. So that was a great thing. And Konkona, Indro and
as you say, different thing you bringing in this film. What is that different thing?
different thing is that first thing that I wanted to be true to the original text. That is the difference because all the films, Bomkesh films that we are having in Indian screen in Bengal, and also in national in Dibakars, you see it has been improvised. We saw Bomkesh in a younger age, but here Bomkesh is an aged one because this story was written at the fag end of Sharadindu's life. And after this, he only wrote 2.5 stories. Then he died, and it didn't continue there.
सर लेफ्ट सर एकदम सामने सब लोग एकदम सामने मैम मैम यो
मैडम ये लुकिए सेंटर प्लीज कधी बोलायला भेटले नाही
सुरेश भाई ये लीजिए
ये लाइट जरा मुंह पे अरे पटक 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 पटक
सर आप हल्का यहाँ पे थैंक यू ना बोतल सेंटर सामने मनोज ऐसे ही रहना हिलना नहीं है मनोज पूरा पटने
मैडम ये सेंटर लुक सर ये सेंटर
मैम यहाँ पे चलो बाइक कर लो
Shaujarukanta is of course a Bengali film. It's a Bomkesh Bakshi film, and Bomkesh Bakshi of course seems to be the flavor of the season. आजकल तो बहुत Bomkesh Bakshi film आ रही है. Ours is a little different because our Bomkesh Bakshi is an older Bomkesh Bakshi who's played by Sundar Chatterjee, Dhitiman Chatterjee, who's a fantastic actor. And it's done very well in Calcutta. People have really liked it, and I hope कि Bombay में जो लोग जो Bengalis हैं and people who are interested in Bengali films, I hope that they'll also come to watch it.
Okay, the theater is packed, you know, here the show which is happening here in Cinemax. How's the feeling altogether? People are here to watch your films, you know.
I'm excited because I think that you know there are Bengalis everywhere tucked away, and there are people who are interested in Bengali films. So I feel कि at least they'll get an opportunity to watch these films.
आप हर बार एक अलग तरीके की फिल्म करती हैं, नया वर्सेटिलिटी, तो कितनी वर्सेटिलिटी आप देखती हैं इस रोल में अपने इस रोल में?
Shaujarukanta was a big challenge I think for me because ये film actually डिटेक्टिव फिल्म है, एक लव स्टोरी भी है साथ में इंद्रनील के साथ. So it's a very interesting challenge for me to be part of a detective film kind, and you know that too Bomkesh Bakshi, which is historically well, this story is very well known. I mean, all Bengalis must be familiar with this particular story.
Bengali is ruling industry everywhere, whether it is Sujit Sarkar or Satyajit Ray. What's your take on that? They understand cinema much better.
No. I don't want to generalize. I think there are good films happening from all regions.
What is the special thing about your film?
Shaujarukanta, like I told you, it's what is most exciting is that it's a great cast. Indraneel is there, Dhitiman Chatterjee is there, and Kaushik Sen is there. He's very good. It's a very well-loved story. All Bengalis know this story, and I think people are really waiting for it to come to screen because it's a very popular short story. Sorry? इस फिल्म में actually in the beginning I am playing the part of Nondini. She is a Tagore character. तो वो bit बहुत ही tough था. तो उसके लिए I had to go through some special preparation because those kind of dialogues and all were completely different from Rakto Karabi. So that was quite a challenge for me. So yeah. Akira. Yeah. Among my Hindi films, I think that there's Lipstick Wale Sapne, Prakash Jha Productions. It's a Lankrita Srivastav's film. And there's Talwar, Meghna Gulzar's. And right now, I'm just started the process of shooting for Akira with Murga Das, the Sonakshi Sinha film. I've just started shooting the film, so it's very hard to say anything. But it's a great pleasure working with Murga Das sir because he's very particular. He has his eye on all details, and he knows exactly what he wants. So I'm very excited to be working with him.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
नेशनली रिलीज हो रही है. कौन सा कैमरा? अभी नेशनल रिलीज हो रही है, लेकिन बंगाल में थोड़े टाइम पहले रिलीज़ हुई और काफ़ी सक्सेसफुल रही है. स्टोरी बहुत अच्छा है फिल्म का. एक ओल्ड वे ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग इन्वॉल्व है इसमें, जो धीरज के साथ एक फिल्म का पेस हुआ करता था पहले ज़माने में, वो है इस फिल्म में. और थैंकफुली सारे एक्टर्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं। कॉन्कना आपको पता ही है, बाकी बंगाल के जो दूसरे एक्टर्स हैं शायद आप लोगों को पता नहीं होगा, लेकिन इसमें सारे एक्टर्स ऋद्धिमान चैटर्जी, कौशिक सेन, सभी बहुत मंझे हुए एक्टर्स हैं। और डायरेक्टर साहब जो हैं शोएब मित्रो, ही इज़ वेरी वेल रेड मैन, और बहुत अच्छी तरीके से उन्होंने इस फिल्म को प्रोजेक्ट किया है और अच्छी तरीके से शूट किया है। जैसे कि मैं पहले ही बोल चुका हूँ, एक ओल्ड टाइम्स का एक फ्लेवर है फिल्म में, सिनेमा का, जो हम 70s में देखते थे, उस तरह का एक फ्लेवर है। मैं कॉन्कना का हस्बैंड प्ले कर रहा हूँ। मेरा नाम है देवाशीष भट्टो फिल्म में, और इसमें स्टोरी में एक इम्पॉर्टेंट एंगल है, मुझे डेक्स्ट्रोकार्डिया यानी मेरा हार्ट जो है वो इस साइड के बदले इस साइड पे है, तो उसकी वजह से कहानी में एक ट्विस्ट है, वो उस वजह से। देखिए, इसका जो प्राइमरी ऑडियंस है, जो कि बंगाली ऑडियंस है, उन्होंने ऑलरेडी एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है फिल्म को, एटलीस्ट इन वेस्ट बंगाल। अब नेशनल रिलीज़ हो रही है, तो नेशनली भी आई एम श्योर कि जो बंगालीज बाहर रहते हैं, जिनको कि बंगाली में प्रवासी बंगाली बोलते हैं, वो डेफिनेटली इसको पसंद करेंगे, क्योंकि अच्छी फिल्म बनी है, अच्छी कहानी है, अच्छी तरीके से पेश किया गया है, और हम लोगों ने बड़ी मेहनत करके अच्छी एक्टिंग भी करी है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। It was a wonderful experience. You know, I have known Konkana's mom for a long time, Aparna Shein, but I had never had the opportunity to really work with Konkana. So this is my first film with Konkana, and I was glad that she is very down to earth, very friendly. We had a great time working together, and it really helps when you have such a well accomplished actress to work with, and who is also a nice person. So we had a wonderful time. Yeah, why not? Who doesn't want to work in Hindi films? So yeah, I'm working on a couple of them. So they should be releasing. There's one with N. Chandra called Tezab 2, and there's another film which I can't disclose right now. So yeah, maybe next year or next to next year they should release. Thank you. Thanks.
JD he played.
मामा को पीछे लो मामा।
अरे एक मिनट
मैम
हाँ दे आधा दे
दो नसीम भाई दो
माल खाते मैडम मैम एक्सक्यूज मी हेलो मैम मैम थैंक यू